Hey everyone, it's Laura, and today I'm going to show you one way that you can use the supplies in your craft kit. I'm using something that's not in your kit, and it is masking tape. You probably have some of that at your house. If not, it's dirt cheap. You can also use basically any washi tape that you have on hand, anything sticky. Very easy. I am making my first initial because I couldn't think of anything to put on there but my first initial, because I'm creative. But you can also bypass this completely, don't stick any tape on, and just make whatever scene you want to make with your tape. And this does not have to be perfect because you're going to dot paint all over and it will go away. Now I gave you Q-tips to do dot painting. You can do dot painting with anything that can make a dot. So the tip of a pencil, whatever brings you joy. And you're going to want to basically stick it into paint, and then your first dip will be really, really vivid, and then it will go out and become paler. So if you're going to do what I'm doing, start at the center and work your way out further so that you get a gradient effect, or ignore that completely. You can also rubber band a bunch of Q-tips together, and it will make a cool effect too. So this is a super easy thing to do. I would look up works by, I think Surratt is his name. I'll link down below. Pointillism. Look up pointillism because you can make some really cool landscapes doing this. It's just lots of fun, but I'm doing the easiest way so you can make art super fast. You could use the shape of like a dog silhouette or a cat silhouette or a unicorn or whatever brings you joy. Mix colors like this. Anyway, have fun. This is a super easy craft that you can't screw up. And your canvas will be bigger than mine, so just eat your heart out and have a good time. You cannot mess this up, which I love. So what I'm going to do is just dot all over my canvas in the one color and then the second color, and then I mixed the two together to give a gradient effect. Again, not necessary, just fun. And when you're done, you should let this dry completely and don't be me, but I just said forget it, and I peeled the tape off right away so that we could see what it looked like. You can also center your letter if you're going to do that, but I am a rebel and I don't center things. Anyway, that's what it will look like. Happy crafting!